video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Ft.Myfirstwig. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. And if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. I'm going to be showing you their brown highlight bob with bangs. And I'm super excited about this because I seen the picture online, and as soon as I seen it, I was like, yeah, I definitely want to try that out. So this is just the bag, and then they sent over some flyaway tamer, and then the beginner kit, which has a rat tail comb and 2 clips. Also included this wig cap in the bag, and then this is the unit right here. Looks really pretty. Let me focus in on the unit. But this is the unit right here. You can see the texture on this, really nice and pretty. This is the bang area. You can definitely tell that they bleached the knots really good. This unit comes with your 2 combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the back and your adjustable strap, well, your elastic band, and then your adjustable strap in the back area. Get all this parting space right here. And yes, I can tell that they, like I said, bleached the knot. On my silicone grip, because I do plan on doing a glueless install, I went ahead and cut the lace off the back. I didn't adjust my straps back here just because I do have this on, and I'm probably gonna bobby pin the sides, so I don't want this to be tight and uncomfortable. And then this was on the very first setting, so I moved it to the last setting just so I can have some wiggle room. I'm gonna go ahead and place this unit on just to see how everything is looking. Okay, so the bangs are a bit long, so I'm gonna have to move them out of the way so I can see. But you can clearly tell that they plucked out the front of this hairline. So if you want to like utilize the parting space and not worry about the bang area, you have some versatility going on in the front part. I feel like they did a good job of plucking it out, so I'm not gonna go in and do anything. And I'm not focused on the hairline anyway, but just because, you know, it's here, I do want to show you guys what options that you have. And then as far as the parting space goes, I do not want to mess up this bang area, but it does go all the way back. So yeah, you can definitely part this on the sides. Of course, when I get to right here, then I'm going to run into tracks. What I'm going to do is, and I hope you guys don't hear my fan because it's hot in here, so I had to turn my little fan on, so hopefully it's not loud. I'm just gonna clip that back so I can cut this lace off because I don't want it in the way. Lined up because I don't want to cut too much off. All right, so that looks good right there. I'm just gonna take my bobby pins and just pin the sides down. That way I don't have to worry about it moving around. And I'm gonna do 2 bobby pins on each side. Worried about the sides being perfect just simply because it's not really going to show. So I just wanna make sure that it's going to lay down. So I feel like the hairline looks really good, even though my focus is not on the hairline. I feel like it is still blended down well for it to be glueless. If you want to kind of just spray this just to make sure that everything stays in place, you can, but I'm not worried about that at this moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclip this and move that to the back just to kind of see where the bangs are going to fall. I feel like I'm going to have to trim them down. I mean, I could push it back a little bit. Yeah, I still feel like I'm going to trim them down. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna pin this back up so I can go ahead and flat iron the rest of the hair and not really focus on it. I am finished with this unit, and as you guys can see, I did have to go in and trim the bangs down, and I don't even have the lace part pulled up. You guys seen I pulled it back, so I'm pretty sure if I pulled it up all the way, I would still have to trim it a little bit more. That would be my only suggestion with this wig, is that the bangs should be cut shorter, but I really didn't have an issue with cutting them. I just kind of trimmed up, and then on the sides I tried to keep it like a little bit longer. I feel like the bangs aren't too thick, and I also feel like they're not too thin. I feel like they're going to be great for the summertime if you choose to wear this, even though it's going to be hot. If you choose to wear this, I feel like they aren't too heavy at all. It's 14 inches. I feel like it's hitting me perfectly. And this is also stated to be 160% in density. I do feel like the density is a little bit more fuller in the back versus up here, but I don't mind it not being too full. You can see they tried to add a little bit of layers, which I love. So I had no issues with flat ironing it also. I just did like 1 or 2 passes. The heat wasn't turned up all the way. And then I did have to put a little bit of wax up here just to kind of lay it down. Top of this unit is laying down flat. See the lace area, so it does look more like scalp. No time to install this because I did use my silicone grip and my bobby pins. So for my ladies who like lace, but they really don't want to deal with lace and they want some versatility, then this one may work out for you. Because of course, if you don't want to deal with the bangs, you can push them back or style them a different type of way and you still get that frontal look. I like the bang look. I know it's not going to be everybody's, you know, thing. And bangs have to be done a certain way. So I'm not mad at this. Like I said, I just wish it was cut a little bit shorter. This hair feels really good. I'm not getting much shedding. Only shedding that I did get was when I cut up in the bang area. But the hair feels really nice and soft. Of course, this is my favorite texture, and the highlights on this are nice. They are perfect for an everyday look, especially for those who really want some color, but they don't want to do too much. This would be great for you. Snags, I'm not getting any at this moment, but if it's the summertime, it's hot outside, you got some sweat going on, you are going to get some snags in the nape area. But this one's going to be more of a lower maintenance unit, even though it has that lace. Because of the bang area, you really don't have to focus on that. Worried about your forehead, or you just want to kind of put on a unit and not do too much, then this one is really easy. If you're feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.